Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Take a peek at this. Our high temperatures today were pleasant and well into the 50s. Just a smidge warmer than maybe what we talked about last night, thanks to the cloud cover getting away quicker throughout the day and getting us more sunshine. Plus those southwesterly winds, they did quite a bit for us in helping us pump those temps in the mid to upper 50s. We're going to repeat this opportunity tomorrow with a bit more cloud cover ahead of some rain showers later in the afternoon. Temperatures right now still nice and warm, upper 40s to low 50s across the board. We're only going to fall about another 10 degrees or so overnight tonight. Some upper 30s to near 40. It will stay breezy for us with some mostly cloudy conditions developing into our Thursday. And tomorrow we're likely to see high temperatures right back into the mid to upper 50s. Can't even rule out a few 60s across our southern fringe and in eastern Kentucky, where it may take a little longer for the cloud cover to develop. That cold front going to do some work for us here as it gets in. You see a few clouds that are over our region. There's a gap before the next batch rolls through, but as this clipper low dives south, it's a pretty strong, potent clipper low. It's really only going to bring us the chance for rain showers and very, very slim chance for a couple of flurries on the backside. But all in all, we're going to experience the opportunity for maybe a few pockets of heavier rainfall, maybe a few thunderstorms as this system gets in. Let's talk about timing. Most of the overnight is just an increasing cloud cover. Futurecast likes to think we get a couple spotty little spots of sprinkles or even some light rain at times. By lunchtime and into the early afternoon, a wave of some isolated rain showers that become a bit more scattered will develop. That's going to be for the early part of the afternoon. And then the main event, the main line, is going to come in after maybe a bit of a break. We're talking 6, 7, 8 p.m. That cold front makes its way in. We've got a very thin but strong line of showers that are going to bring some gusty winds with it. That's really the only issue for us. The severe threat is not zero. But it's pretty low overall. Just some gusty showers going with the pockets of heavy rain. By the overnight hours, things start to wrap up slowly. We do get some dry air to cut in, but Futurecast is starting to pick up on this idea, especially to the east of I-75. Some little spots of some very light snow showers are going to be possible, or some light flurries. They're short-lived, gone by mid-morning, and by midday, we're right back into some opportunities for some sunshine. As that goes on, our severe weather outlook has been removed. We're looking at a quarter to a half of an inch with some isolated higher totals as this rain comes through. Could see some spots get a little closer to an inch over the course of the next 2 days if they get the heavier rain to repeat once or twice. It's really the winds that are going to be a bit more of a factor for us, I think, leading up to the opportunity here in and through the morning. Some gusts upwards of 30 to 40 mile an hour winds are going to be possible as we get into the time when the storms come through. If it is a thunderstorm opportunity, we could see gusts maybe this high, mid-40s to near 50 mile an hour winds. But again, models tend to overdo it just a little bit, so we'll see how it plays out. At least along that main front, we are going to see some pretty strong wind gusts come through. They flip to the west or the northwest as we go into early Friday, and that's going to usher in the cold part of this forecast, which puts us back into winter-like temperatures as we head into the Friday there. That's where this cold shot comes in. Very brief. We push it on, although just a little cold, trying to stick around for us through the weekend. Then warmer temperatures start to roll in as we get closer to your Christmas. We're talking mid to upper 50s for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. The only kicker is that we are going to see more spotty shower chances across the board.